My hands are so full I just had to press the record button with my nose. Okay, so what I'm going to try to do right now, the Jeep needs a rear wiper. Tried to take off the rear wiper. When I painted it, the whole thing snapped, so I don't have a way to mount the wiper back on. Wrong key. Now I do have a donor Jeep. Ugh, if I can get this off, but it's so old I can't even bend it. This is nice, check it out. These latches are they're dead. They don't do anything. This will have to do for now. Take off this rear panel here. There's a screw there, a couple of screws there, probably a couple in here. I have to take the motor, or windshield wiper motor in here, has to come out. There's also a screw right here, and there's also a screw right there, and on the other side, the same goes for there as well. Alright, so there's two T-bits in here. I don't know what size it is, and I don't think I have one, so I'm going to have to figure it out. This is done. I'm going to wind up throwing it in mine. I'll pull what pins I need out of mine and put them back in this one. This comes up, and there's your bolt right there to take off your wiper. And this, you just follow this washer hose, it goes right up to here. Okay, we got the small one off. Now the bigger one at the bottom has to come off. This guy right here. Okay, now this is the motor right here. It doesn't need it, but it'll help. The most trusty of tools is apparently the 10mm socket, because everyone seems to lose theirs. Oh, found out my trunk used to be green. Well, it was green, then it was black, and now it's blue. Just so that there's no hole just sitting here, I'm going to put the old one back, the one that came out of my blue Jeep, the bracket right here with the two gold bushings on it. I took it off on the other one, and obviously it doesn't have to come off. This is just the mount that's mounted to the motor so that you can mount the motor to the vehicle. This is more annoying than you think it would be, so I'm going to put this camera down. Alright, just a quick little tip here. When I was doing this, I guess messing around in there, I must have knocked the lock or something, and when I closed the hatch, it was locked. I mean, I had my keys in my pocket, but just make sure your keys aren't in there, and whatever, just take some sort of precaution. Alright, well, let's see what happens. It's not new, but it's not broken. I'm satisfied. And while I'm out here, I'm just gonna place this piece of plastic here because it's cracked. I hate it so much that I'm just gonna pull the thing out. Done.